Welcome back दोस्तों to your own YouTube channel. As you all know, before any flexibility drill or any practice, I love to warm up. So here is the warm up that I am doing. I have made this video a little faster. So अगर आपको warm up करना है, you can pause and do a little bit of warm up before we start our flexibility drills. This is a 10 minutes full body flexibility exercise that you can do daily, and I guarantee you if you do daily consistently, this is going to work wonders on your flexibility skills. So the first practice, we will start by standing and taking our hands at the back, interlacing the fingers, inhaling, lifting our chest, heart up, and exhale करते हुए forward fold करेंगे इस तरह से, knees को slightly bend रखेंगे. Again inhale up and exhale down. So we are going to do it for some time, and you have to just follow the whole routine along with me. Do it for 10 minutes and then we're going to take a break. Okay guys, keep continuing the practice till I tell you to stop. And slowly stop the practice. Relax till we move on to our next round. Next one is triangle side reach. तो हम पैरों को इस तरह से stretch करके खड़े हो जाएंगे star pose में, and then you're going to bend sideways, right side, then again come up and then bend left side. बीच में किसी भी movement को skip नहीं करना है. ऐसे नहीं कि right के बाद directly left चले गए. Right और left के बीच में you're going to come up, stand and then bend again. Yes. Keep doing it. You're doing great. And relax. Let's go ahead for the next one. We will do side stretch, both the legs together. फिर अपना एक leg spread करेंगे, forward fold करेंगे, back to standing posture. We will move to the other side and do the stretch on the other side. And again back to the center, forward fold, come back. Let's go जहाँ से शुरू किया था, and again a side stretch. Keep doing it. Continue the practice. Anywhere if you feel it is too much of information, थोड़ा सा वीडियो या तो पॉज कर लीजिए या तो स्लो डाउन कर लीजिए. That facility is available in YouTube. And relax. Next one is also simple guys. You're going to go to sumo squat and इस तरह से you're going to twist your body completely. जो pressure है वो opposite hand का use करना है to make your body twist towards the other side. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. Make sure you're twisting both the sides in an equal amount. किसी भी side पे ज़्यादा pressure नहीं डालेंगे. And let's go for it. Okay, you are done. Rest. Next is standing, hands raised to squatting pose, chair pose. Legs are a little bit apart in this. So you're going to just stand and again bend back as if you're sitting in a chair. That's all. Hands are burning already, so I just took my hands down. You can do that also. Interlace कर लीजिए fingers और हाथ को नीचे रख के भी कर सकते हैं, whatever feels comfortable to you. Also, if you want to go a little more deeper for squats, be my guest. ज़रूर और थोड़ा deep कीजिए. Okay, whatever feels good and comfortable to you. And the last one. फ्रेंड्स, प्रैक्टिस के बाद मेरा वीडियो लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलना. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर ऑल योर हेल्प एंड सपोर्ट. Next, we are going to come down on our mat and we are going to do lunge and half split. So lunge forward and half split. Instructions के लिए पहला एक आध राउंड आप देख लीजिए. How am I doing? Make sure the front knee is above your ankle. Small things are there, so please make sure you see that and do the same thing. And once you're done on one side, ब्रेक लेंगे और यही सेम चीज़ दूसरी साइड भी करेंगे. Let's get started. प्रेस करना है अपना बॉडी फ्रंट की तरफ और उसके बाद इसको लेके जाना है बैक की तरफ. Just the same thing, आगे पीछे. And the last one. Now let's move on to our next practice. उसके लिए we are going to sit on our mat and rock our legs just like rocking a baby. We are going to do one leg at a time. दूसरा leg you're going to keep it relaxed down on the floor. Make sure hip बहुत ज़्यादा move ना करे. और जो leg आपने उठा रखा है, you have to keep it close as possible towards your chest. Hold it tight and keep swinging it side to side. And you're done. Let's get done with this side and let's do it on the other side as well. The same thing, you're going to lift the other leg, bring it closer towards the chest as much as possible and then start swinging it. And done, guys. Keep relaxing, come up to standing pose and prepare for the next posture. We are going to do Skandasana drills, side lunges, and we will not go too deep into it, but hands are stretched towards the front and just from one side you will move to the other side and then we are going to perform the lunge like this. couple of more rounds and then you will be done with the 10 minutes practice. And yay, it's done. I hope आपको मेरे videos पसंद आ रहे हों. Please do like, share and subscribe. Kudos to all my friends.